Cooking with Calina presents to you Vietnamese Caramel Chicken that we got from Milk Street, but we did make a few alterations. So what we like to do is we like to extract the coconut water from a young coconut. You can easily buy coconut water that comes in a carton. It'll work just as well, but saw this in the market and I couldn't resist. And this is how you extract and crack a coconut and get all that water and yummy pulp. You have to have fun in the kitchen, so of course I had to replay Monty Python. So we're going to take our lemongrass and cut it in 3, and take the back of your knife and bruise it, as you see right now. And what this does is it helps release some of the natural flavors that lemongrass has. Next, we'll take a lime, cut it in half, and juice it. You can use store-bought lime if you like, but limes are so inexpensive, and they have a superior flavor in my opinion. We have a Serrano here, and we are going to take the seeds out. So I split it down the middle and then quarter it, and then the seeds come right out. And from here, we're going to cut them into little strips so we can finally dice the Serrano. Let your knuckles guide you. Now with the chicken thighs, I like to remove some of the outer fat that you see here, and it should come off just like so. You're not going to get all of it, but that's fine. Cut them into strips, and then you're going to dice them. Key to this is try to make them as uniform as you can. It will help the cooking process and cook everything evenly. So now we're going to add half of the coconut water, and we are going to start the trickiest part of this dish, and that is making the caramel. So once the coconut water is in, we're going to sprinkle in our sugar. And this, I would advise you to take very slow. You don't want to swirl the caramel aggressively, because then some of the sugar will get up onto the side of the pan and burn before you've even had a chance to develop this nice caramel. So take a brush if you need to and just kind of get some of those bits of sugar off the side. And again, this is the crucial part of this dish, developing caramel. Go slow at first, because if you take it beyond and it burns, then you have to start all over. So from here, I'm just kind of swirling, making sure everything is evenly heated, no messed up pieces of sugar. And as you can see, it's gotten really dark. So to stop it, we go in with the remainder of the coconut water, followed by the fish sauce. Fish sauce is a great ingredient. It has a lot of umami, very salty, which counters the sweetness of the caramel. It really is a match made in heaven. And right now, what I'm trying to do is just reincorporate that kind of tarry, hard sugar back into the liquid. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Just stir it very carefully. You're not going to burn it now because the liquid is in. And once you have everything mixed and everything is homogeneous, we are going to go in with our aromatics. So here we go in with our lemongrass. And the lemongrass is really going to release its flavor, along with the ginger, the serrano, and black pepper. And from here, the dish gets super easy. We're going to add our chicken thighs into this mixture. Now what happens is you're going to evaporate a lot of the water. The chicken is going to release its natural juices back into the caramel. This does take a little time. This is going to be about a 15 to 20 minute cook. And ultimately what we want to do is evaporate the liquid all together, so all of those flavors kind of cling and stick to the chicken, giving you just the most amazing bite of chicken you'll ever have. So again, we're just very carefully tossing everything in. Lots of times people talk to me about chicken, about don't cook it above 165, you'll dry it out. That's really not the case with chicken thighs. I find the more you cook it, the tender it gets. And of course, we're not just going to eat chicken and rice. So we sauteed some broccoli. Now, as you can see, it's really starting to coat the chicken and start to evaporate. We add a little butter and sesame seeds into that broccoli with some salt and pepper. And we are getting pretty close to finishing up this dish. As you can see, almost all of the liquid has been evaporated out. Now it's starting to bubble, and it really clings to that chicken. We have a lot of salty notes. We have a lot of savory notes, sweet notes. But that lime juice right there at the end really caps things off in a beautiful way. So let's plate this. So we had basmati rice. I would recommend maybe jasmine. You could even use noodles. We have some yummy sesame broccoli. We're going to put this chicken on top. Folks, this is one of our favorite recipes. It is definitely delicious. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did cooking it. Scatter with some scallions, and there you have it, Vietnamese caramel chicken. I hope you liked it. Comment down below. Let us know how you enjoy it, and we will see you on the next one.